back to school. Pencils ready, books in line, time to shine, it's learning time. New shoes squeak on hallway floors. Classrooms wait in open doors. Heads held high, let's take the scene, chasing dreams and building dreams. It's back to school, let's start the show. Bright ideas, 'cause we're ready to grow. Raise your hand, let your knowledge fly. Big imagination, sky high. Math and science, reading too. Every day there's something new. Games to play and songs to sing. Oh, this year's got everything. Lunchbox packed with mighty snacks. Homework, wait and watch the stacks. Friends and laughter fill the air. Education everywhere. It's back to school.